Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these cards. They're identical, except they're not. This one is so it's Accordion Tri Fold Card. So it has 1, 2, 3, and it folds like this. And this one is a mock Accordion Tri Fold Card. So it's regular. How cool is that? Let's make them. Hi guys, so this is everything you need to make the card. As usual, all your dimensions of all the papers here are down here in the description box for the video. You just click the downward arrow and then more, and you'll see all the dimensions. Let's get started. Alright, so you're going to start with a piece of paper that is 12 inches by 5.5 inches, and we're going to do some scoring, and this is literally the only scoring you'll have to do. We're going to score 1 3/4, 4 3/4, and 7 3/4. Now it's time to fold and burnish. So to fold and burnish, you're going to fold, it's an accordion fold, so you're going to fold back and forth and then back again. So this one you're folding forward like so, then you're going to fold back on this one, and then forward on this one. And this is how your card should look. So it's an accordion fold card. So pretty. Let's decorate it. Now we're going to actually make a belly band for our card because it is so beautiful, but it wouldn't stay closed because there's just so much drama going on here. So we're going to take this piece of paper, which is 1.5 by 9.5. You're going to put it down in the middle like this, turn over and fold. Perfect, with a very small join. So close it, put your hand here so you'll know where to stop putting glue, and just put a little bit of glue and close and pull it down. So beautiful. All right, so now you're going to decorate the belly band. Now let's make the mock version to this card. It's going to be so cool, guys. I have everything cut already, and we're just going to put it together just like we put this one together. Grab your scoring board, and we're just going to have to give this one score. So this is 7 1/4 by 5.5. We're going to score it 4 1/4 and fold it like this and burnish. So if you look, it's exactly the size of this card, but I'm going to show you to decorate the front so it looks just like that. So let's get started. If you don't want 2 sides for writing, because I wanted 2 sides for writing, you could always add this here. So have a designer on 3 and there's 1 side for writing. So that's an option you can exercise if you choose to. And it looks really gorgeous because then when the card is open and you don't get to see this side, you actually still have the design that you used on the inside here. You literally can't tell the difference. It looks like the exact same card. And in case you want a different option for this card, I have this one that I made for my mom's birthday. It is so gorgeous. I used the ribbon to tie it close, and once you open it, thanks so much for joining me while I showed you how to make these 2 sort of identical cards. How cool was it though? All right, because this did so much drama and it's very thick, you know what I mean? It has so much paper and it'll be heavy. This one is perfect for mailing because it's absolutely flat. You don't have to put in the bow. I hope you try it. If you try it, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, make sure to give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. What are you gonna do? Send me some requests for videos that you guys might want.